Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the new joystick throttle I got from Golden Motor. Should be pretty interesting to see how it works. I got to wire it up and then I got to program it. So looking forward to showing you that going forward. I broke down because the old system I had was a little hokey and I wanted to get something that was more robust and hopefully that reacts a little bit quicker. So the throttle was packed in this small box. They have incredible delivery too. You order and it comes within the week without expedition. But it's very well packed. It's got an awful lot of closed cellular foam that it's packed around. Looks like it's an organ box, the way it's packed with that foam. Yeah, this was packed very well. Took an arm and a leg to get this open and a big French knife. My first impressions of it are that it's a nice heavy unit, which is something I appreciate. So the lever is actuated by first pushing a release button on the top, and then you can either move it forward or backwards. It's a little stiff, which is a good thing. It's like perfect tension, but it feels very robust, and you would either pull it forward or push it forward for forward or pull it back for reverse. So there's two separate wire sets and connectors that go and will mount to the controller wires. The first is the 3-wire speed control, and the second is the on and off button. And those are the two wires that will be mounted, will be connected to the controller. The reverse and forward is controlled in the programming using the 3 wires from the throttle as opposed to the separate switch with the other controllers. And we'll see how that works as we start to program and set that up. The bottom here you can see is 4 more mounting holes. They did supply the various size screws for those 4 mounting holes to bolt it to whatever you want to bolt it to. So when I ordered the unit, I was looking at this picture. And this is the Model 1. What came in the mail was the Model 2. And when I talked to Hunter from Golden Motor online, it turns out the Model 2 is the inboard model, but it's the model that is set up to run with the Easy Controller series, which is the series I have, and they had known that when they had shipped it. So for my controller, this is the right one, but there is another model, and if you're going to buy it, you should be cognizant of which one you're going to get and which controller you have so that it's compatible and the wiring is compatible. All right, thank everybody for watching. Please send me your comments or your questions, or if you have any more clarification on this, I'd love to hear it. I'm going to be installing it and looking forward to seeing how it works. All right, thank you, and thanks for watching.